every month you have to practice it for 30 days, a week, a month, and then come to the lab. And in the lab, it's a simulation. There's not like courses anymore. It's not like webinar anymore. It's an active, continuous practice and refinement for your success. This is how we get it done, right? This is how it should be done. So foundation, execution, and then mastery lab are the part of this program. So what else you gonna learn? In the connection, in the foundation day one, you learn about the psychology, the principles, how to message, what is the framework, what framework do you use, and then we teach you about the strategies to learn about first degree connection, second degree connection, third degree connection, how to approach the whole thing systematically, and how to have a systematic follow-up process.